Yes, you heard right. Welcome in, everyone. So, I had. What do you mean muted? Fuck you. I'm not muted. You are. I had a meeting with my professor, and we were talking about like how annoying it is that the parts still haven't arrived. And then he said something, which changed everything. It was like, yeah, they didn't even send the Retour card for like the stuff they sent us, which was wrong. I was like, wait a second, so we still have that? Yeah. That was a flight controller. Smaller one. But it's a flight controller. So now we're gonna use that one. It's not the right one. We're gonna have to make a lot of compromises, I think, because it's not only smaller, so it has like a smaller footprint, but it also, because it is smaller, it has less I/O, it has a less powerful chip. But I mean, we can definitely look up some documentation and maybe find out a few things. And if we're careful enough, maybe we get a little just a motor spin. Wouldn't that be nice? I would really enjoy that. I need that. Anyhow, so yeah, that's today's stream. We're gonna do this little thing. So this is a SpeedyBee F. I can't read. F405 Mini. It's a 20x20 stack. So there's an ESC also with this, but we don't need the ESC. We have ESCs at home. Just now they're better. These are 60 amp ESCs. These are 30. We don't need the 60 amps. I just wanted to be safe. The 30 would be fine. Each motor pulls around 25 peak. But I calculated it with 50, wanted to buy 50, and then 50 wasn't available, so I was like, yeah, go 60 then. Costs the same. Who cares? Anyhow, so time for us to look up some documentation and read up on how to properly wire this shit up, because I don't want to do the same mistake twice, do I now? Here's my wire. They're not attached? Where did I put the wires for the thing? Ah, here. Cool. So, we'll need to think about these wires if we need to change them. Right, one thing we will have to compromise on, this flight controller. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like only one of these JST plugs. So I think this one only supports one ESC, which is like, for a stack like this is absolutely fine, right? It's like, oh no, it only supports one 4-in-1 ESC. Great stuff for like a small drone. A little bit underpowered for ours, so we'll just use this as a temporary. But right, so one question for you now. Big question, very important question. Do we turn on lo-fi or the stream playlist? I don't know. Do you want a chill stream or a little more up? Spin a coin. I mean, that's always a good idea. Hi Reinhard. I did not know. But yeah, hi. So yeah, spin a coin. What do we want to do? What is heads? What is tails? Coin flip. Heads lo-fi? It's lo-fi. It's Tails. Okay, stream playlist. Cool. Yeah. Let's look at some documentation. Mm. Please not again. What do you mean? It's not that hard. Okay, it's not that hard. So what we need to look at is a speedy BDB F405. Ah, yeah. That's the one. This is the one we have. Oh. Where do I see? We're back, y'all. Where do I see like documentation on this boy? Well, that's not bad. Bluetooth, Can we flash autopilot on this? Autopilot. So this is a new flight controller for the drone. We need to find the hardwares from McDonald's. So for copter, right, but no, I don't think so. This is just a like something to tinker around until like the actual one comes in, because this one is underpowered for what we're actually trying to do, and yeah. There was a list of hardware. First time setup. There we go. Cool. Onto bots without. Where is like the hardware? Hardware, no. Using an autopilot. There you go. Okay, cool. So, do we see SpeedyB here somewhere? FFR Mini. There we go. Yes, it's here. This will not include all autopilot features. Yeah. So... About ranking circles again? What? Thinking, how would I see you? Oh yeah. Oh, that happens. Bye bye. Okay, so this one is just a little bit underpowered for autopilot, but that's okay, I guess. So one RX can be connected to your 2 at the time. That makes obviously sense. Ain't that fun. In out for the JS2. Is that the same? It's definitely the right connector, right? Okay, so it is the right connector. I just need to find out if we can use this or if we need to do some different things. Yeah, don't care. Yeah, don't care. Oh, sure, but what is the pinout of the JST? I assume it's the same, but I can't assume it's the same because I did that once and then I blew up expensive part, so let us not assume. This is completely dog shit because this is just a rainbow cable. Doesn't tell me anything. Don't like rainbow cable. I mean... Okay. Hello Hector! Welcome in, welcome in. Why is YouTube not showing up? There you go. Interesting. Anyhow, so this is the way that it's supposed to go. AKA this should be fine. Should is such a fun word. Okay. So I believe that the JST is the same as the pinout described there. Can I be sure of that? I don't know. Manual, there we go. That is better. Direct soldering, right. Okay. Now for real, what you do? What do you mean? What I'm currently doing or what I did to die? Currently with the drone? Yeah, so the flight controller died that I had because I wired it wrong. And now we are basically trying to figure out if and how to properly use this small flight controller as like a drop-in for now, so I can hopefully upgrade this to a bigger soon. TM. Okay, so that works. This one is okay. Let's just save this. CC3D bot? What do you mean CC3D? It's a flight controller. I have no fucking clue what CC3D does. Means. I don't know. That is the one we currently use. Open pilot generic on board. No, that is we're using a. So this is a SpeedyBee F405 Mini. And what we want to use in the future is just a F7 capable flight controller. Don't really care which one, whatever gets here, which is like the problem. But yeah. Okay. Also in the drone space? I wouldn't have guessed. Wouldn't have guessed. Good luck with your project. I mean, it's coming along, right? The flight controller is the last thing that's missing. Just that the flight controller is a little bit underpowered for this little guy. Right? This is the dead flight controller on here. Was a Lumineer Lux H7. What do you see? 60 amps. Which is overpowered for these motors. They only need 25, but I mean, come on. Why not buy 60? Lots of headroom, good. Yeah, and this thing can lift up 6 kilos. If I had just tried one more thing with like a little bit bigger props, we could have gotten up to 10. So yeah. The thing. But we love headroom. We love headroom. A lot of that. So, tell me your pinout, please. Tell me your manual. Ah, there you go, menu. Nothing changed. This next build will be like this, but a little bit more robust. What do you mean? Everything is robust. I mean, this is meant for our university to try out like projects with just autonomous flight. So it's above and beyond in every kind of scale, just so we have enough headroom for all the projects we might want to do. So why don't I get a manual of this? Share all? That's fine, it's fine. I mean, this is my first drone. This is the first drone that I built, and I'm pretty hyped that I, like, as my first project, do something like that. Kind of crazy. Where do I have the... Get out of this. I'd be hyped too? Yeah! Have to be. I'm unsure which side of the connector I fucked up when I built this. Let me just look at the Lumineer pinout again. Alright, Get FPV has all the documentation. They're pretty well documented. There we go. There's the manual. Yeah, okay. So that was the problem. That was the problem why our thing burnt. So I'm just gonna... Oh, we just need this one. If you see, this is not the same. Not at all. So what we want is this one. And we can just rewire this really quick and be happy. Would be kind of surprising if SpeedyBee did the switcheroo, but no. They're consistent within their respective branding, at least. Or like, not branding, yeah. The voltage step down would protect both more too. I mean, why though? It has an inbuilt step down. My biggest problem was just that I actually miswired it and had a funny little puff of smoke come out of the flight controller, which is obviously not something we like. What would voltage step down do for us in this scenario? I don't quite understand. Oh, it didn't fry? You miswired? Oh yeah, it fried. Because I miswired. It's toast. There's a clip on Twitch and on TikTok and everywhere where you can see that little puff of smoke come out and my my face becoming very much pain. Because I mix and match vendors, and apparently that is not something... It is not something you're supposed to do, but you should read up on the documentation and make sure that everything is, like, wired the same. No, we're just gonna rewire this little JST. And then we should be able to start soldering stuff to the guy. So, yeah. Do what I did. The Lumineer is a pretty expensive flight controller. I am still very unhappy that I did that, and my prof is still giving me shit about it. And to be honest, yeah, deserved. Because not only am I a master student, so I really should know my shit, I'm also an electrician, so I should really know my shit. I am literally a professional, and I still got it wrong, so yeah. Shit happens sometimes. Oh no. Meanwhile, our prof is like trying to get out, just find ways to, well, convince the university and all the other institutions that are responsible for a thing like this, like insurance and stuff, that this thing is fine and we should be able to fly it, but it appears like way more of a problem than I anticipated, and so I will not complain. He is he's struggling in its own regard. Big time. It's like, I know bureaucracy is bad, right? But you don't know how bad bureaucracy gets until you have been to a German university and actually try to push forward a new thing. New part 007 with FAA, fly that above 200 grand. That is not the problem. The insurance company won't insure this because it's self-built, and we do have like I did get the license, so that is not the problem. But the problem is that it's a university project, so the university needs to do the fun things, and they never did that. They have no fucking clue how to do that either. So there's now a lot of people getting paid a lot of money to figure the shit out. And to be honest, they're not moving that very fast. And me and my prof are both getting very annoyed by that. Because, well, what can you do? Sit there and wait until the paper mills have run out of paper and someone is just like, well, whatever. What's the worst that could go wrong? Oh, right. This thing has like 2 horsepowers. You can like literally chop off your fingers. That is what could go wrong. Ah. That's like another thing, right? With stuff like that in uni. You need to make sure that this is safe for students to work with. How the fuck do you do that with like literally a finger chopping drone? Like, it's gonna be a fun one. It's a fun one. Anyhow, I might just insure that on my own name, and then maybe it's a little bit easier. I don't know. Okay, cool. So we rewired this to reflect what we actually need. So that's good. Let's plug this in and put on the firmware that we need. Or should I? Let's do this first, actually. Hmm. Buzzer receiver. Can you just tell me what UART what is? I guess you can't. Okay. Whatever. It's fine. We'll find out. We'll find out. Probably is this though. The same. Yeah. At least looks like it. So, do I want to flash first or do I want to... Yeah, let's flash this first. Where is my Bluetooth device? Yes, right, my USB-C cable. Hello. Blink. Cool, so where do we get the firmware? Firmware. Well, obviously the newest. Oh wait, there's the latest folder, right? Stable. Should be fine. So there is a SpeeDB F4. What are they called? Or something with like SpeeDB F04 Mini. Oh, there you go. And we need the ELF file if I don't... No, wait, no, we need the with BL hex. That's the one we need. Yes. Please replace that, and then we need to do SMT... No, STM programmer. And... Oh... Sorry, I broke the grid. Oh, that's the wrong side. Again. Arm sword. Oh, cool. Right. What does that work again? Establishing connection with device failed. Because this is... That might be a problem, yeah. Might be that. It's on the wrong computer. Yeah. So let's just pull out the different cable. Oh, it's on the right computer though, right? What? Unselected. Ah! There you go. Okay, cool. How do I flash this? Time to look at the thing again. Somewhere. DFU mode. Ah, okay, so we do need to set it on USB. not in DFU mode yet. Hi. Oh, that's just controllers, not devices. Okay, so that definitely does not work. Ah, wait a second. I need to press the boot pin, boot thing, and then... Okay, then. Yeah, that's the one, that's the one. Okay, cool. There we go. Okay, now that should work. Yes, okay, cool, perfect, 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 perfect. Got it, got it. I'm just a professional computer guy, don't worry. Don't worry about this. Sometimes. You've returned. Welcome back, Bims. Welcome back. USB device information. I mean, okay, target information. Fine. Could be good. Now we open a file. That one. Time to get back to CID. And then download. Operation exceeds memory limits. Ah! Does it? Does it? 3CAD is better? You're free to be wrong, yeah. Does that work? Or will you also tell me the same? No, that seems better. That seems better. Okay, cool. So now... There we go. Ground control. Right, sorry. Don't need you though. Nice! There we go. So this is an octa quad. Wait, no. For now it's quad. For now it's quad. Radio... Okay, there's a lot of stuff that we now need to... do, but at least this works. Good! Love that!
Pre-arm. Battery 1 low voltage failsafe. Communication lost.
Communication lost, yes, that is correct. Okay, now it is time for soldering. Time to solder. Yeah. Let me just get my starter equipment. And then let's see how far we get. There you go. Everybody hurts. Okay. Oh. Yes. Hopefully not me. How durable is a 1mm thick plate? Of what? Steel? Butter? Printed. With what? What do you want to do? I think ABS, I don't know. ABS? You're printing ABS? What am I seeing? Yeah, but what am I even seeing? You need to give me more context. The wrong thing? Also, to put in the filter again. Ah. Okay. And let's put this camera right over here. I hope it works. There you go. Hi. Where did I put the... Where did I put the controller? Does that screenshot help? Okay, how far does it protrude? That's like just a few millimeters, right? Then it should be fine. Anyhow, I need to... Where did I leave the controller? You see? The heck? Old controller? 2 mil, but not sure. Then if you can make it bigger, then make it bigger. What? Huh? Make it 1.5. So we're taking out the rubber grommets now. So guys, because we don't want to burn them. We only need to access one side. That's nice. I'm gonna pull up the schematic. Yeah. Hmm. Interesting, we don't have that. So, okay. We have a huge bags of cables here. Gonna use some of them to solder stuff to here. To have the same orientation. There we go. This. Make it 2 mil just to be sure. I mean, yeah. I already responded to that, but yeah, sure. I'm a little confusion, but anyway. Okay, so we have this. So, there are a few things that I don't think I can just solder up like I want to, but that's gonna be fine. So, let's just start with the basics. What do we really need? Power and ground for our called our GPS. Power and ground for our GPS. I think 350 would be fine. I forgot to bring a pair of wire cutters. 1 second. Okay. Nice. Cool. Just need that tiny bit. Very cool. Okay, let's sort of this. Let's see something like. Like that, maybe. Feels like I should put a little bit of text on there to make my life a tiny bit more easy. Now we tin these guys. These are bad wires, they hate to be tinned. Oh. Out again. And then we just put them on here. Was 350 degrees not enough? Go up to 400 then. behind. There you go. Good. Easy enough. This is 99% isopropanol, right? Okay, I should just be able to clean this a bit with it. Cool. Now, SDA SOC RxTX. So start from the bottom. TX. You stay. I don't like you. I'm not a friend if you don't stay. Oh. Should be fine, I said, and then it's still like this. Good. I mean, why do I have all these, like, lamps? I can also use them. Oh. Really doesn't need a lot of solder. So, RX is too odd. Battery, okay, we don't need that. Then okay, cool. Let's cut the stone just that tiny bit. Really don't want any chances here. I love this music, by the way. No? Include the FreeCAD project file in REPL on exported STL. Exported STL. Don't lock people into your software choice for theory. STL is always the way to go. You want both? I mean, sure, that's fine. But STL is the preferred one. Let's do TX now. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Yeah. It's just this teeny tiny bit of solder. I'm not gonna hate it. Oh, that's better. Ah, that's better. Cool. XCL. Well, do this first. Now we there we go. And then DA being a blue. You have a blue. So a bit of in. But okay. Cool. That should be it for now. The GPS. What else do we have? So let's undo the captain tape here. So this is the ELRS. Yeah. Actually, I want to hold it. Okay, cool. Actually, need oh, obviously. I need to turn on the music though. Brings too much music. Oh, this seems fun. Look at the diagram after all. Okay. Dominate. Dominate. So, what's it called? Let's put down some Oxford. Who like the pen for this? Normally don't like the pen. There, it feels good. Bolts. X. Okay. I understand. We want orange, we want a yellow, and we want a red. Another long red. Uh, and red. So, for the ones we need. No, that orange one is annoying. We'll take this orange one. We want alpha male is gonna cut one end off. I mean, one end doesn't matter, but I rarely have female to male bumper cables. So we want male to male, one male. I want to lose a female, and we need to put them down a bit. Oh, right, and we need to plug them in, so they need to be male. That's why we do that. Okay! Time for... what? There you go. In this... Yes. And now that's now we have these for the wire. Wonderful. Wonderful. This one we want. Dun, dun, dun. That is pretend. But, tiny amount. Oh. And now we just solder them on here. The fuck? Something like this. This just doesn't look good. It's a little more soldering. Possibly that ground is like connected to a lot of stuff and just takes away heat way faster than that should be we should. That's good. Okay, and then we say X going to R2. Let's go to T2. Oh god, this is definitely not a solid job I'll be proud of. Okay, that's gonna be fine. That is gonna be fine. Okay. What else do we have that we need to connect? So, there is another... I see T3 and T and R3. And I also see these. T1. So we probably want to connect our videos to that one. I mean, that's like a good idea. We have like more of these funny colors that they so I've still, but I do like them when they're still attached. Um oh, that's good. Oh. I'm sure. I know I'm contradicting myself, but I don't want to spend too much time searching for the right cable. I have like so much else to do. Want them to be somewhat similar length, so don't get like weird things. I at least want to try making it look nice, you know? No, I'm not gonna succeed because just a prototype looking nice. What the fuck? Not a prototype if we made it look nice. But you get my drift, right? You get my drift. I believe. I believe. Yeah. Up. And what's a tin on those? Interesting. These ones don't like to be tinned either. So hope it works. That made something happen. Let's maybe that's fine. Okay. Just gonna do whatever we did on the other ones. So first of all, cleaning time. And then solder down. Oh. And now again from below. Yellow is R. Orange is T. Okay. Two. Let's restart the 5 volts. Tiny bit too long for my time. Okay. Okay. Good stuff. Now, we have the problem that there are obviously some parts which might be a little bit close to each other. Where I think I should just... Actually, no, wait. Yeah, so what I thought was, hey, just put some, what is it called? Nail polish down. That's sometimes a great idea, but I might need to resolder some things, so let's do Captain Tape. Which I have laying around there. Oh, there. There's my tape. I need to clean my workstation. I really need to clean my workstation. But that would mean effort. That is something... Not like... Okay, apparently I can't. Let me get a pair of scissors. Okay. I'm sure we don't want to cover that part, because that seems like the bare mare, and covering that would mean we don't get any readings from that, which is not what we want. Okay. Okay. A little bit easier for me. Oh yeah. Love that. What? Not sure how much those actually do, but I'm fine with this. This feels okay. Okay. So. I think that's fine. What do I now want to do? Look everything up and test it. Ah! The stressful part begins. You stay here. I'll go. Yep. Press again. Oh. And this one all goes aside. Need it anymore today. Hopefully. Okay. Time for you. Yeah. Chaos. Just chaos. There. These ones we kind of still want to keep. The rest goes into the trash. Past. Okay. The big boy goes on the okay. Okay, guys. Oh. One more. Um. Way. Bring the flight control. Actually, I think we're just gonna I think we're just gonna stick with the tried and true method of zip tying everything together. Well, works. There you go. Only have one antenna. I hope that is not a problem. I actually don't know though. The other one hasn't arrived. Broken. One broken one and one just. Yep. Let's get some more. Nice. Was it nice? Wasn't there a rubber band? Held everything together at some point? There was. Emphasis on was apparently. No fucking clue where that went. Yeah. I guess we'll just out. What? So this little guy here won't work with the mounting holes that I've planned because the actual FC should be a 30 by 30 and not a 20. Thinking if I can just squeeze it between that. Wait a second, I totally can. Totally can do that. That, and then we just zip tie it at 2 locations maybe? I'm just gonna take that. Again, this is not the way you are supposed to do this. This is just the way I will do it for now in order to test things. Will that be the final arrangement? Probably. Because as a great engineer just once said, nothing stays for as long as an improvised solution. Was that great engineer? Who the why would I know? I don't know people. I'm an engineer. We don't do people like that. That is round, I guess. Good. It's now on there. So. Also for now. Together. Worry flopping around. Normally you want to decouple the light controller from the rest of the system because vibrations do hurt performance. But since I'm not planning on letting this thing fly now, I don't care for that. So yeah, go. Okay, so ELRS goes on here. So wait, fuck. Can I just get that? I don't turn it upside down. Wait. See, that's better. If only I had a printer now. Only. What's the problem with 3D printing? I actually do need the thing. Okay, so yellow is TX, so that should go on. Alright. Yellow here. Perfect. That is already meshed. Okay, that we needed. Brown. Orange. There we go, just like so. Okay, and then okay. One. Onward to the so ones. The ones that I want to put to the EX. Little guy here. Oh right, wait a second. So I only need to put one and those. Interesting. Well, let me just put a little bit flying around. Is this the horse poop drone? Yes. Yes, it is. I am. I don't know. Am I honored that you know, or am I should I be concerned? How goes the progress? So I had a meeting with my professor today, and we were like, "Oh wait, so the flight controller still hasn't arrived, and what are we gonna do? And I'm like, yeah, okay, maybe we just order the second one and hope that one shows up. And he was like, yeah, but they didn't even send me like the papers to like send back the stuff that we got wrong. I was like, wait a second, we still have that? They said, like, yeah, we do. Why? Well, because that wasn't just wrong stuff, that was a different flight controller that is well underpowered for what we actually want to do, but good enough for testing. So that's what we're doing now. Yeah. I have no fucking clue what is. I'm not gonna connect that yet. So then we have this fucking thing, which we need to connect to. Oh, please, this fucking thing. But yeah, it is. So now we actually have progress finally after ages of just me looking at poop. Which is always a fun story to explain. Plus, like, oh, what are you doing for your masters? Yeah, I look at shit all day. I have close to 300 images of poop on my phone. Riveting. Yes! I mean, some people would like to get paid for that, would pay for that, but sadly I am not one of those people, so yeah. Yes! They don't even need to see the collection. Just if I ask, hey, can you send me those pictures? Because I know you have horses, they like, wait a second, is that a kink? Like, no! My masters! I wish it was though! This whole ordeal would have been way more fun. I need a bigger zip tie for this. I need a bigger one. Wait a second. Get that. Yeah, but hey, at least we are getting progress, and it is I mean, up until September.
Oh,
basically.
hey, I'm Alonazo. Thanks for hitting that follow button.
Welcome
to the
in.
salad.
Hi. Sorry for the poop talk, but it's it's on topic. Oh. True. And then we just. So right now we're just putting everything together in like some weird state with zip ties and prayers, so we can at least test things. Like if we get a motor spin, or if we get I don't know if we. Ouch, bonk. Tech teacher from Spain here, nice. Oh, teach me a few things, please. I could use some. Ah. Okay. This. But yeah, so this is my masters. Righty-tighty. Okay, so I tied it down and I didn't look at the pinout. Anyway. The drone all DIY? I mean, as much DIY as you can get with a drone, right? I didn't build the motors and stuff, but yes, everything like the battery case, a lot of the stacks are DIY, and buying components and putting them together, right? As DIY as it gets. There's a good reason though why I chose to go that route, because we want this thing to fly to fly completely autonomous, do like lots of things for us university work. Far away future. Okay, so let me just turn this monster. Need to look at this. So, do I have did university work? Yes. So I'm writing my master's thesis about this thing and one thing that we want to do with it, which is yeah, we want to look at poop. Yeah. Kind of a shit topic. And yeah, it always feels weird. This never gets out. It doesn't. It doesn't. That one is the module that we have. The red is... I think that makes sense. I just hope that these flimsy connectors hold up for like 5 minutes. Black is ground, that also makes sense. Something repeated. No, don't worry. You're good. You're with friends here. Me and Bims are also not primary. English is our second language. Did you finally manage to do that? And yeah, international waters here, so why would I assume that anyone actually knows how to speak English? Okay, so then yellow is SDA, which I think is blue for me. Green is RX. Needs to go on to TX. Is as running white. Green is yes, yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, good, okay. They got all of them. Or... and blue is TX, which goes on RX here. Yeah, there we go. Ah! There you go. Okay. So they are all seated correctly. Don't have to worry about connection issues too much. These connectors are just bad. Let me tell you, like these jumper cables, they're like the cheapest one you can get. They're fine for starters, but like for stuff like this, it's just nerve-wracking. Because they will not work when you least want, when you need them. When you need them to work, they will just stop. That's always a fun thing to happen. But, so... put them like that. But what do you teach like mainly? Like tech is a wide variety of stuff, right? So okay. Was too. James, what I do? I will. I was too slow with my questions because I needed to glue this shit together. I teach in high school. Okay, but okay, so in Germany we don't have tech as a subject in school. So I don't really know what to expect. If it's like how to use a computer, or is it how to build things, electricity? what does tech entail in the school system? Should I unsorter these? No. Wait, we need them. We need. Okay. Oh no. Will that still work now? No. Let me check where this is actually going now. Like the. No, that should go to that. For that tiny connector. Oh, any subjects? Technology, digital stuff, robotics, programming. Ooh, nice! So like a good introductory to everything. That's cool. Please turn on the transmitter. I mean, things are blinking. I have no fucking clue what all of that means, so let's look at that. In pre-engineering in the last years? Yeah, I am post-engineering. I don't even do engineering. I'm an actual engineer, so it's like re-engineering sounds fun, where you don't have to worry about all the stuff, all the stuff. Oh wait, it's green now. Good. Nice to meet you. I have to leave. Yeah, thanks for stopping by and hope to see you again. Let me. Let's see. Thing. Thing 4 thing. Oh boy, that is a tight fit. Okay. I guess Hollow. So time to charge this battery. Oh. You have an adapter for that, right? Should buy one. So we can put this on charging station. And I hope that I have like the secondary. And use. Need to find a mounting mechanism. Hot glue or super glue? I had like that. But the cells? I still have that laying around somewhere? Yeah, but no, I mean, who's guys? Oh man. What? Had that laying around somewhere. I just don't know where. I just actually. I do not. That's bad. Well, then we need to wait. Anything else we could do in the meantime? Can I just plug this in via PC and hope that it works? You can at least try. I think it didn't. Yeah, no, it complains about too low battery again. Okay, cool. Are there things that we can calibrate though? Frame is right now in just an X. This will only connect. Radio must be completed. We can right now. This is is none. What do I press next? Press next when ready. Ah, there. There is next. But apparently that doesn't really do. Does it? Why this gets hot? guess I should probably like turn this 90 degrees. Just that much. Oh wait. Oh, that works too. That works. Less strain on the... Oh, wait a second. It's just... What? Well, it's still in the current orientation. I mean, that's kind of the current orientation one. With this. How do I do this? Okay, so we are connected. Hardware configuration. Accelerometer code. That is mission planner. Maybe we should try mission planner? Let's try mission planner. So that was connect mission planner, not well there. Yeah, let's just download this. Let's see. Comes lost. I mean, yeah, but no. All. Sure. How much playroom should I make? I mean, yes. What do I feel like? Or obviously also depends on like your actual six panels around. Depends on your printer. Yep, exactly. It depends on your printer. But I think a good measure is like 0.5%. Dual printer? Bro. My printer ain't good. Half a mil. Half a mil should be fine. Oh. You're trying to do that via... I mean, we are... Here? Oh yeah. Düsseldorf. I don't know what my city looks from above, actually. Hmm. Uh, don't know how old those pictures are. Wait a second, yeah. So you go here. Those pictures are old. Those pictures are old. So my university is... bro. Here. Interesting. Interesting why this is all like winter coverage and then the rest seems to be like summer. That is kind of weird, but hey, sure, why not? Why are you this hot? But that... Uh... Hmm. Do I maybe... Yeah, wait a second. I need to start this in like the Bitboot mode. I really not. Out. Now let's connect them to the ESC now. Where? Could also use this cable. Just no it. Yeah. Let's look at it again. Just so I'm absolutely sure. B A E D. FP4 field. Yeah, they're not there. It's product ESC. There we go. The one. Like an actual image. Right, plus minus plus. Minus plus 1 to ET. So we just pick this. Put that in here. Minus plus 1, 2, 3, 4 current telemetry. Wonderful. Okay. Yeah, let's just stop. Hard kill. Oh, I hate this. Lose. Turn it by 90 degrees. And we're gonna tie that down again. Make sure stuff doesn't launch. I don't want to accidentally bump something and then short everything. That would be a disaster. And we don't want a disaster. That seems to work okay. Okay. Let's pick all of this score. So this one should be fine. The amount of anxiousness that I pull up right now. I'm so crazy fucking anxious right now. Okay. But I think we've done everything right. Oh. That nearly killed me. Okay, cool. Yeah. Let's do this. To fuck this up again, I don't know, man. I should probably just... Okay. I mean, surprisingly little has. Probably is a good sign. Where's the boot button? Did I fry this already? Actually press the button. Okay, so I pressed the button, nothing is happening. Oh, why? Definitely supplying power. push USB again. It's true. Wrong one. Good plot. Oh, then this is actually the wrong computer. Problem. We need to run this. Oh my, this is getting really hot though. Unplug that. So first we unplug that. This option type. Sweet, so answered. Okay. If any longer use thing. Oh wait a second, that's a lie. That's a or there we go. That's better. There we go. I'm having. Oh. Nice. Okay, that seems to do stuff. That's good. Oh. Look at that! Okay, wait a second. Look at this. Up in the top left corner. Battery 1 low, that is absolutely correct. Okay. We're still at frame type. There you go. So this is an act. Yeah, screw size. I don't know what the air screw. Let me see. Level. Mission panel. There we go. Basics. Go input. There we go. So that's fine. We did that. Quads. We that. Tricopter. We also radio control. Okay, so what they want to do is that is a point where we are. I'm just a little bit. Ah, yes. Ah, that is a great. So. Well, I just. Obviously not that good. Let me see if I can find that. Let's see if we can just use this. It's been charging for a moment, but it's tomorrow. But if I can test this out now, I would. Pull the cables in. Up. With all the cables in it. Like. Intro. Yep, still not large enough. Ah, sad. That's okay. Hey, where did I put that thing? I actually threw it away. Oh, crap. No. I just hit this afterwards. Normal lipo cells. Like lipo? Better. Now I my own hubris. That's amazing. Okay, so we can't do radio setup. Annoying. Again, done with 1/2. Wait, what does air screw size mean? What does that mean? Is that actually just how big my rotors are? PID tuning. There you go. Nah. Nothing. Maybe it's not needed. Please place vehicle level. Try. Oh boy. So many cables and shit. God, it's so big. This thing. Ooh. Okay. That is probably as level as I can get it. Oh. Left. So since left. Oh god, this is crazy to do. Imagine doing that with like an actual big drone. Probably just okay. Nose down. What file format should I use? What do most people use? STL. Okay. Oh, the drone calibration? Yeah. Goes up. Oh. What the fuck is back? On its back? How the fuck am I supposed to do that? Calibration successful. Okay, I hope you're not shitting me. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm just clicking things at this point. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, you add one is a... No. Dude, this... Uh... So... That one is our radio. RC in. Oh, wait a second. Radio control in. Yeah, that makes sense. 5 is C to... Six is... Ah. I mean... RTK/GPS. Okay, yeah, we'll need that later. We'll need... Poison it. Oh my god, oh. This is... I understand why people like this. Jesus Christ, there you can have so many knobs to turn. Oh, yeah. I have no clue what that does. Set up. I don't know if the compass actually does something right now. That is something I do. And it is external. Involved magnet. Yeah, I wish. I upped the charging rate though a little bit, so I hope that we get somewhere soon. Or what? No, what? Like the charging rate on the big one. Doesn't say. Read instructions. What instructions, you fucker? Actually doesn't say. What do you mean? Wait, okay, so let's look at them. Pink performance. There we go. This. Doesn't say anything about the charging rate. Continue without accept. Dean. Nice. Wow. How about we don't do Germany? How fast can I charge this thing? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna ask the drone community because they know. They probably know. Oh, wait a second. So I need to remove that one. I get better shit from here. Uh, I'm so confused why it doesn't state thing. I don't know why. I do not know why. What does 1C mean? Ah. Okay. Perfect. So 8 amps. That's plenty. I don't think my charger can handle that, but that's good. So let's plug that in and... And do the radio calibration because we wanted to have it. Yeah. Oh no. Waiting for stuff to charge. Guess I'm just gonna make myself some dinner. And continue tomorrow. Or you can say, I guess that's a good idea. I mean, we could. Okay, wait a second. There are actually some things we can still do. Move the battery here. Come on. Off you go. There you go. Okay, so there are a few things that I still haven't connected, and those things are actually kind of interesting right now. Those are the gimbal and the VTX. So, gimbal is a... Actually, yeah, that is... Just... Pick it up. Right. How the fuck did I mount this here? How the fuck am I supposed to put it off? Alternative. Hell annoying. I mean, we need to unscrew like half the... I get being a little lazy. Okay, wait a sec. So... Okay, let's find it. Yeah, let's find the way. Of something. Let's do that. Good. Water. With apple juice. Apple juice. Okay. So. Okay. Just do it this way. I hope that works. So we pop out these guys. Way to do it. These tubes. And be able to that and pop them out. Oh, good. We can this. It like that. Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Now. That one. So. That. We will not hacked, but I can obviously look. Very probably have to.
Check me out, y'all.
That feels correct. Let's see if it is. So we need to look up. Oof.
Check me out, y'all.
So where's the manual? Oh no. Apparently it doesn't. Pro kit, what is this? Where's the manual for this? Ah, it's probably the Nano. No, HD Pro. I think they actually updated with the Moonlight. I don't know. Yeah, I have no clue why or whatever. Okay, so cool, I guess. Where is the manual for this guy? And Moonlight VTX, okay. That is fine. I'll have this. No, I don't. Do I have the... No. Moonlight VTX. Ah, there's it. So, what's the... Moonlight Kit. There you go, that's fine. VM series manual. There we go. There we go. Okay, cool. So we installed the camera. That's easy. Really? Okay, so this one, USB port. Which one is the USB port again? VTX USB port, record USB port. Which one do I need to use? Probably the VTX, right? So that is this one. Interesting, because that is actually not what this one. Okay, sure. Is okay, so that one is plugged in. I've limited the range. Fine. Okay. Now we need to make these guys longer. This fun one. I'm gonna do that today? I don't think so. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I think I'm done for today. This. We only need to make those longer. We have 4 PWM slots on this one. Engineering degree coming in useful. I mean, this is still for my engineering degree. The second one, I guess. Because this is for my, yeah, for my master's. Okay, that is important information. Important information. This one does not support the gimbal. It doesn't. At all. Hmm. Yeah. This one does not do PWM. Okay, so we can't connect the gimbal. Period. That is annoying, but fine. I hate this. I wish that would be like something it would at least support. But I guess it doesn't. We can at least set it up so it does have power. So that would be a nice thing to have, I guess. But... Ooh. Ooh. Die Beef. Beef. No. You know that I didn't check this? That would be so... Oh. That would have hurt. That would have hurt again. Anyway. Yeah. Okay, so we can only use... Yeah, we will power the gimbal, but we can't actually do anything with it. How much? How much? How much? How much power do we actually take? Yeah, cool. Static power dissipation, 1.5 watts. What do you need peak? That is a bit of a different question, is that? Okay, but 1.5 watts at 14 volts, that's like jack shit. How do you actually do? I don't believe that. 1.5 watts at 14 would be... stupid. Equal U times I, so... yeah, so we have I is equal to P divided. So 1.5 watts divided by the 15 volts that we have. That's 0.1 amp. What? With 3 PWM motors. Upgrade the Jimbo to 3.4 or above. That's something. URSF receiver. Oh, because that does probably use the yeah. No. I mean, we will do this part, the connection, but we won't do the... yeah. We don't have a head tracking thingy. Yeah, no, whatever. Whatever. Okay. So, I'm gonna stop for today. Probably gonna chill a little bit in voice chat later. But I'm gonna food and... I don't know, to be honest. Chill? We'll see. So, right, thanks for hanging out. We'll definitely continue tomorrow with the thing. And maybe we get a motor spin tomorrow. Maybe we get a motor spin tomorrow when all the batteries are full. We can hopefully calibrate the what is it called? Calibrate the radio and then we'll see. Anyway, have a good one, everyone. Bye. Bye.